Hi, my name is Rohit Gai and welcome to my professional masterclass on Michelin star Indian cuisine. In this masterclass, I'm going to teach you how to cook like a Michelin star chef with tips and tricks to ensure that your cooking is perfect every time. So let's get started. So today we're gonna make my signature recipe and very famous recipe. It's called chicken tikka masala, and this is our first step basically, where we have to marinate the chicken thigh in the first marination. So chicken thigh boneless, and I'm gonna add ginger garlic paste, salt, and dash of lime juice. We will marinate, we will mix it, and if you are planning something to, for the butter chicken or any tandoori preparations or barbecue preparations, in my opinion, the marination should be like, overnight, at least couple of hours. So this is first marination is done. I'm gonna keep it on the side. Meanwhile, we're gonna start cooking the butter chicken sauce. So basically this recipe, we'll do it in a three steps. So first is done, second is the sauce, and meanwhile we will do it another marination that will be the final marination for the chicken tikka. Once your oil is ready, add chopped onions, and this is the first recipe which I, when I started my career, where I learned this recipe in India, so how to make it. So this is very close to my heart as well. So you have to cook the onions for about 15-20 minutes at least 15 on a very low heat, or the best option is to come just cook it till they start getting goldish in color. And if you follow the recipe step by step, it's worth spending 25-30 minutes, because the end product will be definitely you guys will love it. Now we are almost getting there. So meanwhile we'll keep our powder spices ready for that. So here we go, Kashmiri chili. This is again red chili but slightly hot. Garam masala, cumin powder, and coriander powder. Now I'm going to add ginger garlic paste, chopped green chilies, and chopped ginger as well. Now let's add some spices. Kashmiri chili, red chili powder, garam masala, cumin powder, and coriander powder, salt. And now you can add chopped tomatoes. You can either use fresh or the canned ones. That's tomato paste. Add little water as well. Requirement. Now I'm going to turn down the heat, so it will cook on slow heat basically, and it will take about 7 to 8 minutes to finish. Meanwhile, let's make the marination ready for the chicken. So hung yogurt, or Greek yogurt, Kashmiri chili, garam masala, salt, mustard oil, ginger garlic paste, and fenugreek, dry fenugreek leaves. And look at that, the marination is ready, nicely mixed. And now I'm gonna apply this marination on the chicken. And make sure you rub the mix marinade over the chicken pieces nicely so it will absorb the flavor. It shouldn't be bland from inside. Arrange in the tray and cook it in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes, 180 degrees centigrade. Then we'll finish with the sauce. So there we go, done. Now I'm going to finish the sauce with fresh cream, because I use a lot of tomato in that. So if you find little sourness, then you can add either fresh honey in that to give little sweetness. It's optional actually, depends. And fresh kasuri methi, dry ones, and chopped fresh coriander. Let's take a look. Chicken should be ready, I guess. There you go. Look at the chicken. It's ready, perfectly cooked, nicely charred. I'm gonna add this, and we're gonna cook for a couple of more minutes to get the flavor and the consistency right. Little bit of butter and touch of garam masala, fresh chopped coriander, and it's ready to go. It's done. You can serve this with naan, paratha, or whatever is your preference, but I personally prefer with butter naan or multigrain bread. You can add some julienne ginger on top of it as a garnish, and coriander plus piece of green chili if you like hot. So here's your Michelin star butter chicken masala ready. Enjoy.